Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Venmo, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you send money with Venmo? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to send money or transfer money with Venmo? Well, that's pretty easy. Venmo is definitely one of the more popular peer-to-peer payment transfer apps, and they make it easy to send money to your family and friends. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the Venmo app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Venmo account now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Venmo account. This is the home screen here. Now, here on the home screen, if you would like to send money through Venmo, what you want to do is click on this blue Venmo pay or request button right here towards the bottom. Okay, guys, so once you click there, it's going to bring up your payment screen on Venmo. So this is assuming you've already connected to your bank through Venmo. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail. Now here on this screen, you can easily click on one of these users that you frequently interact with on Venmo. However, if it's somebody new, you can go ahead and put in their @Venmo username or their email or their phone number. Now, I usually use a phone number for Venmo, and the thing is, if they do not have a Venmo account, you can still send the money and that person will receive a message letting them know how they can set up a Venmo account. And that will be the same for the email as well. So first, I'm going to go ahead and type in the phone number for the person I will be sending money through Venmo to. Okay, guys, I went ahead and typed in the phone number. Next here, it's going to let you know pay or request and then the phone number that you typed in. So go ahead and just click on that phone number or the blue line here. Once you click on that line, it should show the phone number right here. And now you can choose how much money you would like to transfer through Venmo. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending $1 as a money transfer through Venmo. Once you've chosen how much money you're going to send through Venmo, next you want to go ahead and click right here and you want to type in a note. So a lot of people like to use emojis, so you can go ahead and just type in any emoji. A lot of people will put tacos if you're paying for tacos. If you're paying for rent, maybe you'll just put a house, or you can easily just type in letters like what I do. Once you've typed in a note, which is required when you're sending money through Venmo. Okay, so this next step is kind of important. So for me, I like to keep all of my payments and transfers through Venmo private. If you don't do this, it is possible that other users will be able to see your payment history. So you want to make sure this says private. If it says public, all you do is just click on it. Once you click on it, then you can see you get the option only your friends can see, the public or private, which is what I have. So I'll click here. Okay, so now that we have it set up on private, next you want to make sure that you are choosing the right funding source to make this payment through Venmo. So for me, I have $1.40 in my Venmo balance, so that's enough to cover it. If not, then it's going to be pulling from your bank. If you want to change the bank that your Venmo payment is going through, just click here on this line. Once you click there, you can choose the funding source for your payment through Venmo, or you can add another bank or debit card if you would like. For me, I'm going to use my Venmo balance since it's such a small dollar amount. So let me close this out. And lastly, the last box that you want to look at is right here, turn on for purchases. So this is purchase protection through Venmo. They let you know that you can opt for a full refund if the eligible purchase is not what you paid for. Now, when you do this, it's not going to be a free transfer. So there's usually a fee that is involved for the person that's going to be receiving the money. If you're sending it to family and friends, make sure the box is checked as gray. If you're buying something from a stranger, then go ahead and just mark it as green. But make sure that you understand that whoever you're sending money to, they're going to get less than what you're sending because of this fee. Since I'm sending this to a family member, let me go ahead and click this back and make sure it's gray. So if all that looks good, we're ready to click on this green pay button down here on the bottom. Okay, it's processing. Okay, just a quick second later, this screen pops up, which is the transaction screen on Venmo. And as you can see, I did send a payment through Venmo right here. It's marked as $1. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send money on Venmo, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.